YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Another lovely unboxing. Let's hope we do better than my BoxyCharm unboxing, but it is time for Ipsy. This is this month's bag. It's cute. It reminds me of like a little beach bag almost. Blue or stripy, so let me see if I can get the card. So the first theme is New Year, more products, more focus on you. First product we have, is Fluide. And I guess this is like a blue tinted lip gloss. First of all, I'm not gonna lie, I work for a dentist, so when I see Fluide like that, all I think is fluoride. So it's like a blue clear gloss. When you swatch it, it's just clear. A blue clear gloss. Interesting. It's in the shade Elsewhere. So I'm wearing like a super bright red lip. Let's see if I dab it on. Is it gonna give me like a blue tint or like a... I'm barely like getting any product on the doe foot. Like barely coming out. Is it making a difference? It's clear. And I guess it's just kind of like a clear gloss that has a bluish tint to it. Interesting. Next I have a Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation in the color Fair Sand. I actually have this foundation in Fair. It's like a moussey Amazonian Clay foundation and I like it. It's not my favorite. It's a little heavy, a little cakey. This is a different darker tan, so maybe I can use it for like the summertime or something, but I mean, it's a Tarte product, so that's cool. At the same time, it's something I have. Next is Luxie. We got ourselves a Luxie brush. Very sleek and pretty. It has a brown and coppery and contoury, pretty brushy brush. I love getting Luxie brushes, you guys know that. I got an entire set in my Boxy Luxe, so I can never have too many brushes. Next is by the brand Casca, and it's a nail lacquer. Let's see if we can get this open and we can get the nail lacquer out. Oh, this is like a really pretty bottle, and it's a velvet black matte nail polish. And I'm not gonna lie, my nails are hideous because I bite them, and even worse because I'm an Eagles fan. And have you guys seen how stressful last week's game was with Cody Parkey missing the field goal, okay? Cody Parkey's missed field goal and waiting for that setup took away my nails. So when I grow my nails out, this is definitely going to be, if I can get it open, oh my God, a cool nail polish to have. I don't know what it means by, ew, it's like all chunky. Black velvet. It's kind of goopy. Smells, wow guys, it smells like nail polish. I don't know why I had to test that out. Is Way going out of business? What is happening with Way? I get a Way product in my Ipsy bag every month at this point. What is going on? But this is a leave-in conditioner. So we got the Briogeo leave-in conditioning spray in Boxy. Now we have this like thick leave-in conditioner. You can like see at the bottom how thick it is from Way. So like I said, this is my hair, and I worked this morning, so I put no effort into my hair. So my cat is in the litter box. Are you done? This is Moose. He's probably the biggest cat in the world, and he doesn't really like to be picked up, but I promise he's really snuggly. Guys, that is my Ipsy bag. The Way leave-in conditioner, it's all right. It's all right. Probably pretty excited for this once I grow my nails out, just because I'm excited to try the Velvet Matte Black. I think that, and I just like kind of really like the bottle. Never can go wrong with a Luxie box, a brush semi-40, and then a blue Fluide or Fluoride lip gloss. I digress. Yeah, all in all, so far it's been a pretty disappointing subscription month for me for my regular Ipsy bag, but that's what you get when you pay $10. Oh. All right, so that was my Ipsy bag, guys. I hope you made out a little better than I did on Boxy and Ipsy. If so, let me know in the comments. Did you get better products than me? You probably did. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye.